Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. Tonight, my topic is still about the merchandisers and a promo merchandisers, especially to the beginners and the young people of today. When you start working, please perform your job from the heart but not from the mood. Avoid to come late in absences in your outlets. Please work religiously. Love your work. You should have passion in your heart. Always remember ang inyuhang work, ang inyuhang career, that is not an only an opportunity and a privilege that given to you. But that is a God's blessings. Panalangin na siya gikan sa inyuhang creator, sa inyuhang magbubuhat. So love your work para magtagal mo sa company. Be true to yourself, be hardworking kasi maunay nagtagal sa panahon. Be honest to your big bosses, be respectful, be responsible citizen, be a good follower. So I hope that everyone who are watching me tonight have learned something from me. Thank you everyone. Continue to follow me and to subscribe my YouTube channel and to my Facebook Reels. God bless.